How's it going, YouTube? Got a couple things we're going to check out today. 85 Monte Carlo. What we're going to work with is the gauge cluster. Not necessarily the cluster, but the glass. If you see, these are factory holes for the clock, speedometer, reset. And I upgraded to digital dash, so I no longer need those. And another thing that is an issue is I don't want to see all this black housing here. So what I did was went on to the internet so you get a good picture. Is a replacement plastic with no holes. Now the idea is I don't want to see all of that. So I thought about tinting, but some plastics can't be tinted, or you got to get a special tint from what I understand. I'm not an expert on that because the plastic gives off gas. So a buddy of mine suggested to use this, some nightshades, VHT. He used it on his motorcycle on a couple of reflectors to tone them down a little bit, and came out pretty nice. So what we're going to do is take this old glass with the holes out, try the nightshades on it, and hopefully it'll come out and give me the effect that I looking for. And all I want to see is just the numbers. So I'm not trying to tint it very much, just enough to offset, not be able to see. If you look real close in there, and the camera probably won't pick it up, is you can see the circuitry in there, the circuit boards. Right, we're back. We're gonna take this base plate off here. Excuse this hot as a mug. You're gonna have 9 screws. They're gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And they can't see it over here. They just follow suit. 7, 8 right here, and 9 right above the lights. This mirror adjuster is cable, so it's kind of a pain. You can take it out. There'll be a Allen wrench inside this housing here that'll release that, but if you're careful with it, all you got to do is watch the headlight switch over here and it clears it. So you just pull it off and you work it around. There we go. And it'll lay down out your way. Be able to do whatever it is that you need to do. We're gonna have 1, 2, 3, 4 7/32 bolts. I do these by hand. This plastic in here is 30 years old, 35 years old. This new replacement plastic in it is just fragile, so I do it all by hand. It doesn't need to be tight. The wrench, so take all 4 of those out of there. And it's out. So as you can see, this is what we're gonna be getting rid of, these holes. So let everything sit, get set up to clean this up, test paint it, see how it turns out. If it doesn't work, that's fine. I'll just put the clear one in, call it a day. So I'm really not going to lose anything if that VHT doesn't work out how I would like it to. So So here's a little before view with the two on the left. You've got the original with the two holes. On the right, you've got the blank. I believe I picked it up at Mike's Monty. So we'll take a look at before and after. So we're going to apply one coat. It says do not do more than 3 or light won't go through. And that's not what we're after. So do even application. I cleaned the part with degreaser. Get everything off of there so this stuff will adhere. So I put another coat on, and after the first coat dried, I could already tell right off the bat it wasn't what I was looking for. So I already went and put another one. I'm gonna show you why. That's not what I need, a more crisp look than this. That product just, yeah, it darkens it out. To get it to be crisp, to be able to look through it at a speedometer is another thing. So we're gonna go ahead and call that a fail. But that's why we did this. If there was a problem, that it wouldn't ruin the new one. So we're gonna go ahead and get the new one in and be happy with that until we find another solution. Alright, got the screws back in place. Go ahead and get all those wrapped up and we'll take a look and see what it looks like. So sometimes they're a pain in the butt. You just gotta take your time with them, not get frustrated. Sometimes I do. 2 more screws, wrapped up. Kind of sucks that tinting spray didn't work out quite the way I needed for this application. But like I said, we will try another route, make another video. And that's it. And there, nice and tight. Go. Well, that's what we got here with it. With the new, no holes here. It's definitely a cleaner look, but I want to get it darked out. Like I said, I don't want to see any of this here. I just want to see the cluster itself. So, till then, later.